Ito yung logic niya. Why campaign funds can be plunder. Campaign funds are not inherently plunder. Yun yung general rule. Campaign funds are not inherently plunder. But the moment a candidate uses a public office to extort, solicit kickbacks, or misappropriate funds labeled as campaign contributions, those funds lose their campaign character and become ill-gotten wealth. So, ang titignan lang dito, kapag obvious na ginamit naman yon sa kumpanya, okay, tapos hindi in-extort, hindi ito sinolicit na kickback, at hindi ito misappropriate, walang kaso. The predicate acts that could transform undeclared campaign funds into plunder. Section 1D, I, receiving a commission, gift, share, percentage, kickback in connection with a government contract or approval. Is it connected with a government contract or approval? A contractor pressured to donate a campaign fund in exchange for a government contract fits squarely there.